Hi all, Renee here. This just arrived in the mail. All I've done is split it open. This is the 2020 Spooky Box from Fat Quarter. It was a limited edition. I don't know if they have any left, but you may want to check it out. But if you're curious about what comes in them, I will show you. I'll give you my initial impressions. So here we go. And this is the first time I've ever gotten a spooky box. My sister and my stepmother got one last year, and it was so cute. And I had that serious, you know, the whole missing out feeling. So when this one got announced, I picked it up right away. So let's go ahead and take a look. So it's like all the other boxes. You get a little card, little pamphlet that shows you everything and tells you about each of the items in the box. So I'll put that to the side. So the first thing we have are some Black Magic Creepy Thread Scissors, 4 inches long, matte black stainless steel. The scissors that they put in their boxes are usually pretty nice. So let's go ahead and get this open if I can. Oh my goodness. See, this is the problem with opening boxes, you know, fresh and not opening them ahead of time. You get to listen to all the packaging. Oh, these feel really good and they are sharp. Yeah, I like these a lot. They feel really nice in the hand and they're really smooth. Nice. I like those a lot. So those scissors are valued at $8.48. Okay, what else do we have? Keep your tools within reach. Spooky cat hanger. It looks like it hangs on your sewing machine. That is very cute. Let's get this out of here. Perfect for scissors and more. We stick to hard surfaces on most sewing machines, tables, and computer monitors. Connects to surface with adhesive tape. So there's some adhesive tape you have to use. So I'll have to move it around a bit and see where I'd want it to be. But that is really cute. So yeah, you hook your scissors on there and they can just hang right off the edge of your sewing machine or wherever you want it to hang. That's really cute. And that is called the Tale of Terror Spooky Cat Hanger. And the Tale of Terror Spooky Cat Hanger is, let's see, $6.48. Okay. Oh, a nice Fiskars ruler. It's a it's going to be a 4.5 by 4.5 inch ruler. That's really nice. Sometimes it's really nice just to have that small little square. And I actually don't think I have one this particular size. So I'm glad to see that. Oh, the fabric. Oh, there's 2 packages of fabrics. Nice. Okay. So let's see what we got here. Oh, this looks so cute already. So this is Ghouls and Goodies by Stacy. Oh, I'm going to kill this name. Sue by Moda. And let's see what we got here. Let's take that off. Oh, how cute. Look at that. It's all the little costumes hanging on clotheslines, which are really some spider webs and little ghosts. That's cute. Oh, this is so funny. Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat. How cute. And this is a good amount of fabric. I think these are fat quarters, full fat quarters. And then a really cute purple with the little cats and the jack-o'-lanterns. And then this is probably, I'm guessing this is just a solid, but let's go ahead and open it. You'd think having nails would make this easier. Oh, look, I have scissors right here. Ta-da. Maybe that's why they gave us scissors. Oh, I just caught a glimpse of the pattern and I'm loving it. But let's look at this first. So yeah, there's a piece of cardboard in there. Oh, this fabric is really pretty. Let me open it all the way so you can see what's going on here. So can you see all that? It's almost like a distressed and it's got splotches. It's black and kind of a bluish gray and there's some brown in the background. There's a lot going on with this fabric. I really like it. So let's see what our pattern is. there's that. And our pattern, is there anything else in there? Nothing else in the box. It's called Cato Lantern Quilt Pattern. Oh, that's very cute. The finished size on this is 30.5 by 34. And what else will we need? Okay, so these, oh, they were half yard bundles. So this is all half yard pieces of these 4 different fabrics. So very nice. That is really nice. So you get a full 1.5 yards of these and a half yard here. So you've got a full 2 yards of fabric in this box. No wonder the box felt so heavy. So you need a 1/2 yard of binding, and they do have the part number on here if you wanted to use the same binding they did, and then 1 1/8 yards of backing, which I will have both of those things. So with this particular kit, I don't have to buy anything, and it does look pretty good. I mean, there's quite a bit of instructions here. Let me take a quick look and see. Okay, now that's really cool. It even gives you the cutting guide, sort of like with my, I don't want to show it to you because you need to buy the pattern, but sort of like what I have with my paper crafting, how there it shows you the piece of paper, 12 by 12 or 8.5 by 11, and it shows you exactly what to cut in each area so that you can get the most out of your fabric. This has that kind of cutting guide. Rather than just telling you to cut, 2 4-inch squares, it shows you where on the fabric is the best place to cut those so that you're able to get everything you need out of the fabric. And they say that's since they're directional, that's also to help you to make sure that the directions are all done correctly. So this is so cute. And it actually looks fairly easy. Oh, and that's how cute. Look what's at the back of this. Notes and things I learned making this quilt. That is so adorable. That way, if you ever, make it again, you have all your little notes. This is really cute. I really like this a lot. So that is the box. Let me tell you. So the Fiskars ruler, $6.98. The pattern, $9.98. And does it say anything about the fabrics? The fabric, these 3 pieces, $21.48 for these 3 pieces. It doesn't give you a price. Oh, and one grunge. It's called Grunge Espresso. Espresso. I swear I say it wrong every time. And if I still said it wrong, just correct me down below. I'm fine with that. But it's the 4 pieces, so $21.48, which that's really a good deal because usually these kind of fabrics up here anyway, where I am in Knoxville, they're usually about $13.99 a yard. So that would be, $28 for a yard of fabric. This is $21.48, so that's a really good deal. So there is that. So altogether, this box was worth, let's see, $21, $29, $37, over, let's see, $40, $50, over $50 worth of items. And there's even a coupon in here if you get the box, $10 off a $50 purchase or $20 off a $100 purchase. And it looks like it's for anything. You don't have to buy anything in particular. So that's really cool. I'm gonna have to see if there's some things that I need. I've been making a lot of masks, so I've been using up a lot of my fabrics and supplies, so I may need to purchase just some regular stuff. So here is the spooky box for 2020. Overall, I think it was an awesome deal. I am really excited to make this project. I've got some other projects going on, so hopefully I will have time to squeeze this in, but more than likely not. And oh, look at the quilting on the sample. Isn't that adorable? I do most of my stuff hand quilted, so I may need to cut myself a stencil on my Cricut and do those on on my quilting. Very, very cute. So I hope everybody's having a great day. If you've got any really fun Halloween or fall projects that you're working on, leave me a comment down below. And if you have a video or you have a blog or you post your pictures anywhere at all, I would love to see what you're working on. So just leave that down below so I can see it and everybody else can see it as well. I hope you all have a great day. If you got the spooky box, let me know also what you think of it and how it lines up with past years, since this is my very first one I ever got. And I will talk to y'all later. Thanks for watching. Bye.